Do you want a tummy rubs? Do you want tummy rubs? You do? Okay. You gonna show us some tricks? Here. Okay. What can you do? Can you dance? Can you dance? You are so good. You are a good little dancer. Sit. Okay. Lay down. Okay. Roll over. Let's see the tummy. Oh, it's your tummy rubs. Look at this face. Oh, I said, look at that face. That's a happy dog. He likes his screeches. Oh, he's a good baby. And that is one good dog. And that is one good dog. Yes. She wants to be a lap dog. You want to be a lap dog, don't you? Yes, that's a pretty face. What? What? You want to play now? Get something to play with. Get your string. Get your string. Good girl. You're a good baby. Oh, you should get a ball. Why not? See you later.